Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Mehdi's here, and in this video we're gonna talk about how you can have a string and which all characters are in lowercase. So let's get to it. And we define a string variable called a, and we write hello world. So you want all characters in lowercase, right? You write a dot and you use method casefold, and you should save it in another variable called a2. And when you print a2, let's see what you get. You get hello world, which is all in lowercase. And there is another way that you can do it. We use the method lower, and you print a2, and still you get hello world, which all characters are in lowercase. So if you find this channel helpful, please subscribe and like this video, and till next one, peace.